Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I asked you guys over on Instagram if you guys were interested in seeing like a pretty girly soft makeup look for Valentine's Day, or more of a smoky sexy, and right now the soft pretty girly look is in the lead, so I decided to go with that one. Today I have a Valentine's Day makeup look for you, and this one I decided to go with something very romantic, girly, pretty, light and fun, just very girly. So I love doing nice pink soft girly looks for like romantic occasions. I think it's really appropriate, and I love the way that this look turned out. It's very like angelic and soft, and I just love it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. Please let me know if you guys want to see another look before Valentine's Day gets here, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe, and follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. I'm just gonna jump right in this video. I love you guys so much. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so today I'm gonna be trying out the Artis brushes. I have heard a lot about these brushes, but I've never tried them before. It's supposed to make your makeup blend seamlessly into your skin. I got this kit right here, or this box off Octoly. And this is the, which one is this? The Smoky set? The Artist Elite Smoky Collection, or Smoke Collection, my bad. I have the Linear 1 brush, the Circle 1 brush, the Oval 3, and the Oval 4 brush. I'm gonna start off with the skin today, and I'm gonna be using the Becca First Light Priming Filter. It's the purple primer. If you guys have seen this in Sephora, or if you've used it, I'm loving it. It's my #1 favorite primer right now. And I'm gonna actually be using the Artis Oval 4 brush for this, and I know it's kind of small, so we're gonna see. It says that you can use it for foundation, so I'm gonna see how it works for primer. Got some on my finger. Buffing primer in as well. Maybe it'll be, I don't know, more flawless. I wish that one of these brushes was like really big so I could get more area covered, but that's okay. Be a little bit more detailed today. If you guys have the Artis brushes, let me know what you think about them. If you think that they're worth it or not. My worry with these using for the face, I'm just worried I can't get everything that I'm supposed to or that I want to. I just feel like this is not big enough for the face, even though it says you can apply spot foundation or highlighted foundation. I don't even know what that means. I am going to be using one of my favorite combinations for foundation, which is going to be the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk and the Fiona Stiles Matte. I do about 2 pumps of the Giorgio Armani, and then I do about 1 pump of the Fiona Stiles. I'm just going to apply that to my face, and then I'm going to blend with the little Artis brush, which is the Oval 4. I feel like so far it's really just picking up a lot of that product and not really blending it. I don't love the way this is like holding in my hand, like the way that it feels. I feel like it's hard to grip it. It's like, ugh, how do you hold these brushes? Like, I don't know, maybe if it was a bigger handle or something, but I just feel like, yeah, these brushes are way too small to be using on your whole face, or at least on my whole face, maybe a big face, I don't know. I feel like this brush is giving me more of like a matte finish. I know on the camera it looks a little bit more luminous, but up close it looks kind of more on the matte side. I feel like this is definitely makes it harder to blend down the neck. I'm just not feeling that for the face. Maybe I'll go back to it for concealer or something. But I'm just gonna go ahead and use my beauty blender and kind of blend any spots that I couldn't really get to with that little brush. Not something I would use for the face, for foundation, maybe concealer, maybe for contouring, but maybe I'll do cream contour with that. Yeah, cream contour with this would be great, not for foundation. I'm gonna take some of this YSL All Hours concealer. I love this stuff. It's probably my favorite concealer at the moment, and just apply it to my under eyes. Alright, so I'm just going to take this Oval 4 brush again and try it for concealer instead of foundation. I think I'm going to like it a lot more for concealer. I do like the way that that's blending my concealer. I would definitely recommend the Oval 4 for concealer and not foundation. It worked okay with the primer, but now I'm going to bake that concealer on so that I don't have any creasiness. And I'm using my Patrick Star MAC powder. And while this bakes, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera. And for the eyes today, I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. I have been loving this lately, been using it all the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep my eyes with some MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, as always. I'm getting a little low. And I'm gonna try the Artis Circle 1 brush. And I will say these brushes don't feel very comfortable in my hand. I feel like I have to grip it like this to like really get a grip. Like so far it's just taking a little bit longer for me to blend this. So I'm going to set my eyes first using VELLA right here. Next, which is kind of my favorite part of this look, I'm going to be taking the color Shy, which is one of my favorite eyeshadow colors in this palette. It's a baby pink, sort of dusty rose mauve color. And I love colors like this because they really can just complement any eye look by brightening it up, but not too bold. Like it just gives enough color. And I'm going to place that in my crease, kind of doing like a rounded look. And I want to keep it mainly in the crease. I don't really want to get it on the lid. I think I'm going to naturally get a little bit on the lid, but I'm going to try to fix that later. Looks like this always make me feel like it's very girly and very pretty. I don't know if it's because it's pink. These shadows are very pigmented, but I like to go a little bit at a time so that I can really blend them out seamlessly. And then I'm going to take a clean blending brush to just kind of blend, because I'm having some patchiness on this eye. For some reason, this eye, my right eye, gets a lot of patchiness. It's frustrating and annoying. Do any of you guys experience that, like patchiness, or like your eyes are just different? Because I definitely experienced that. I'm going to just go back and take VELLA, which is that matte bone color, and put it back on the eyelid. Just kind of in the center of my eyelid, just to make that more prominent right there, because some of that pink got a little lower than I wanted it to. I'm going to take the shade Angelic, which is so pretty. It's another one of my favorites in the palette. And this is Angelic right here. It's a beautiful pink with gold shimmer in it, and I love this for the inner corner. I'm gonna take that oval, what is this? The oval circle, oh, it's the Circle 1 brush, and dip it into Angelic. It already has some of that primer on there, so that's good. And then, whoa, I keep thinking that palette's gonna have a mirror in it. And then what I'm gonna do is just take it in that inner corner and really work it in there. Wow, so I really like this brush for detailed highlighting. This is kind of like highlighting the look. I mean, it's giving it something a little bit shimmery, a little bit sparkly, but it's not crazy. Like it still kind of goes with this look. It really is Angelic. Like I was about to say Angelic, forgetting that the name of the shade is Angelic. I'm gonna wipe off that brush because I don't want Angelic in my brow bone highlight, but I'm gonna take Moon Dust, which is a white pearl but with like a pink shimmer in it. So it's kind of the opposite of Angelic. Like it's a white base, but then it has like more of a pink shimmer in there. So this is Moon Dust. Might be too big. Actually, I don't want to do that because that circle is too big. I only want that highlight to be very, very subtle. So instead of that brush, I'm going to take something a little bit smaller and more detailed, which is this Makeup Geek pencil brush. These brushes are just awkward, like to hold them. I don't like holding these brushes at all. But yeah, you can see how that one's big, but then this one's a lot more detailed, a lot smaller. I'm gonna take this Makeup Geek brush, get that Moon Dust on there, and apply it to my brow bone. And then I am gonna do some liquid liner. Since the eyeshadow is just so basic and so simple, I am gonna be adding some eyeliner today. And I'm gonna use the Kat Von D liquid liner. It's the tattoo liner in Trooper, which is definitely a favorite for sure. I think I'm just gonna keep it right there. It's very simple, it's very pretty, it's very girly. So I added some Shy Color, which is what I have in my crease, and some Flamingo. I mixed the two of them and added them to my lower lash line with a pencil brush. And then I put on some mascara, and the mascara I used is the Shock YSL. I've been obsessed with this lately. It is such an amazing mascara. It really gives my lashes volume and length. I didn't do a ton of coats today, so it's not as thick as it normally would be. I'm gonna add some lashes to finish off the eye look, and I'm really excited about this because I've never used these before, and these are the Flutter Intoxicating Lashes. Right here. I know Jaclyn Hill has talked about them a million times. She loves them. I've never tried Flutter lashes, and these are big. Like, these are really, really big. They're really pretty, but they're just huge, so. And they're only like $10 online, so I felt like that was not bad. I really feel like a lot of the drugstore lashes are getting pretty pricey, especially like the Eyelure brand, like at Target and stuff. I'm like, gosh, $8, $9 for these lashes? These are supposed to be like drugstore price. They're very, very light, even though they look kind of heavy and they look intense. They feel very, very light. This is what they look like. To finish the eyes, I actually am going to add some NARS Rouge Bonaparte. It's my favorite waterline pencil, just to brighten up the eye. Okay, and then I'm going to finish off the face quickly. So I am going to use this Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the shade Amber. It's their contour stick. I didn't really have the best experience with this the first couple times I used it, the first time or so, because it just wasn't really blending out that well for me, but I'm gonna try it again and see what I think of it. I'm gonna use the Oval 4 because I feel like this would be a good contour brush. To me, just holding this brush frustrates me because I feel like the grip on it, I don't know if it's because I have long nails or what, but I just feel like the grip that I have is very uncomfortable. I mean, it's blending nice. Not anything I feel like my Beauty Blender can't really do, or my Eco Tools $6 sponge that I have. It kind of does give me more of like a matte finish on my face. It does look pretty good. And I'm going to blend down on my neck. I think I'm going to be using these brushes mainly for my nose because they're more detailed. And I've been trying to find, you know, more to detail my nose contour. Now I'm going to go in with my Park Avenue Princess Tarte Contour Palette. I still am just loving this palette, you guys. It is so pretty. I'm going to go in with the shade Princess Cut. Definitely tap off because all these shades are very pigmented. Princess Cut's probably my favorite contour shade because it has the most like gray tones in it. And you can see the true color of it because I don't have anything else mixed on this brush. Now I'm going to add some Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist to make my skin nice and dewy and beautiful. I always like to do that part before the highlighter because it really makes the highlighter go on nice. And just to go with this pink girly theme, I am going to go with the Fenty Beauty highlighter that I talked about, my January favorites, in the shade Girl Next Door and Chic Freak. This one they have very pinky peachy tones, and I just love how girly it is. It's so girly and so pretty. I just love this highlight. It's so pretty. This is definitely a highlight I would repurchase. I know I'm always trying to try new products and try new highlighters, but I would totally repurchase this highlight, which says a lot because, like I said, I'm always trying to find new stuff. For blush, I'm going to use my favorite at the moment, and it's the Sephora Waterproof Rose Without Thorns. This one's so girly, so pink, and so pretty, and it gives you a serious airbrush effect. Like, you just look so airbrushed and so flawless. Like, look at that. Look how easy that was and look how beautiful. I don't even need to blend that out. Like, look how pretty. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. All right, and to finish off for the lips, I am going to use Kat Von D Lovecraft lipstick. I've talked about this recently in my Sephora haul, my first impression. And then I'm going to use the MAC Half Red lip pencil to line my lips. This color is just so girly and so pretty, and the fact that our eyes are like not too dark and not too smoky, I want to do something a little bit bolder on the lips, which this isn't like super bold, but it's not like a nude really, so I feel like it goes perfectly. This is the finished look. I'll show you guys like an up close. It's very girly, very pretty. I'm loving it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you have a great Valentine's Day, whatever you're doing. If you're going out with your boyfriend, your husband, your fiance, or if you're just living it up with your girlfriends or at home on the couch with your dog, whatever it is. I hope you guys have a great one. Let me know if you guys want to see like a sexy, smoky Valentine's Day look before it comes. So I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.